Welcome to iPundit Solutions. Today, we are presenting our utility, PID report generator. This is a standalone custom command used to generate reports from the project database. The command is initiated by typing PID report, after which the main form appears. The form consists of three main sections. The first section displays the total number of drawings in the project. By default, the checkbox for the current .dwg file is selected. If the user wants to generate a report for other drawings, they can simply select the respective checkboxes. The All button allows users to select all drawings in the project, while the None button deselects them. The second section focuses on object categories. Here, users can choose which object categories to include in the report by selecting the appropriate checkboxes. Categories displayed in gray indicate that there are no objects available in those categories. The third section represents the common attributes of the selected objects. Users can choose which attributes to include in the report and arrange their sequence using the Up and Down buttons. There is also an option to sort the attributes in alphabetical order for better organization. After applying the desired filters, users can click on Fetch Objects. This will display the number of drawings selected and the number of objects fetched. Once this step is complete, clicking on Generate Report will open a new form titled Generate Report Options. In this section, users can select a template based on company standards or use the default option. The Sheet mode provides flexibility in defining how the report should be generated. Users can also choose to include column headers by selecting the checkbox and specify the starting row for the Excel sheet. Finally, users can select the output path and click on Generate to create the report. Once the report is successfully generated, a message box will appear stating, "Report saved successfully," and will prompt the user to open the report immediately. As demonstrated, the generated report is well structured and fully optimized. Thank you.